Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Perspective of AI, your ultimate pit stop for unraveling the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. If you're curious about how to use ChatGPT's free version like a pro, you've landed in the perfect spot. Today, we'll dive into tips, tricks, and clever hacks to maximize ChatGPT's potential, without spending a dime. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and join our growing AI community. Let's level up together. So, what is ChatGPT anyway? Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is like having your personal assistant, always ready to brainstorm, explain, or even write poetry. The free version gives you a taste of AI brilliance. But here's the real question: are you using it to its fullest potential? First things first, let's get started. Head over to chat.openai.com. Then create a free account if you haven't already. Don't worry, signing up is super quick. That's it, boom, you're in. Now, let's talk efficiency. Remember, the free version works best with clear, concise prompts. Think of it like texting your smartest friend. Hacks and tricks. Now let's unlock the magic. Here are my top ChatGPT hacks. Hack number 1. Be specific. Instead of saying, "Tell me about AI," try, "Can you explain AI's impact on healthcare in 3 points?" It saves time and gives you precise answers. Hack number 2. Role-playing. ChatGPT loves role-play. Start your prompt with something like, "Pretend you're a fitness coach, how can I lose weight efficiently?" The results will amaze you. Hack number 3. Chain prompts for clarity. If your first response feels vague, follow up. ChatGPT remembers your context. Ask, "Can you elaborate?" or "Give me examples." Easy peasy. Fun interactive challenge. Let's make this fun. I'll give you a prompt to try right now. Type, "Pretend you're a travel agent. Plan a 3-day budget-friendly trip to Paris." Pause this video, try it out, and share your results in the comments. I can't wait to hear about the itineraries ChatGPT cooked up for you. Now we will see some real-world applications. Now, how can you bring ChatGPT into your daily life? Here's a lightning-fast list. For work, draft emails, summarize reports, or brainstorm ideas. For studies, generate explanations, summaries, or even flashcards. For fun, ask for recipes, jokes, or creative date ideas. The possibilities? Endless. Caution note: one quick heads up, folks. The free version of ChatGPT has its limits. It may not handle super complex queries or real-time updates. So, keep your expectations realistic, and you'll have a blast. Now it's your turn. Try these hacks, explore ChatGPT, and let me know your favorite trick in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe and follow on YouTube. Stay tuned for more exciting AI insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye for now.